Okay, so here we have our simpole Excalibur, and we're going to hook up Mr. Vic's super tip to it so we can do some soft washing and hard washing with his Vic tip and the simpole. It works fantastic. I've used other poles with it, and the simpole is so much tougher. So you need your 25-foot hose that I got just from Home Depot. You need quick connects to go to the M22. Quick connect there, and then you got an M22 connect that goes to a 1/4-inch plug there. So the one with the quick connect 1/4-inch is going to go on the simpole and Vic's super tip. So it goes on there pretty simple, just like that. And then the other end is going to go to the gun. So you just have a 25-foot, and you can use a longer hose if you want, and you can use a thicker hose, better hose. I just prefer to use this 25-foot really lightweight one that I get from Home Depot because it's so much lighter weight to go with that gun and to go up on a pole. I have heavier hoses and I didn't care for it. So here we go. So I have my little clamp thing there that I can keep the trigger pulled. So you got the M22 to the connector, M22 connector to a 1/4-inch plug, and so we're going to set that here for now. I'm going to have Jonathan come over here and help me with this. I honestly don't have to have him help, but I wanted him to help videotape. I don't know that I'm going to use any more chemical on it because I've already treated it with chemical today. He just wants me to get it a little better, so that's what we're going to do. So anyway, we got the 25-foot hose that you can get from Home Depot. They're pretty cheap. That's a 1/4-inch, 3,000 I think is what that is, or 3,300 psi, which is fine. That's what I have as far as the machine. So that's how it's set up right there, and that's how it's set up there going to the gun. And then as far as the end of this, we can put our J-rod on the end of Vic's tip, like this. And I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to be able to do that if it was turned on. Or I can put my Canon on here. People use X-Jet, and people use a Canon. I'm going to use my Canon, but I'm just going to use it to rinse out. Okay.
When the sun beats down and bounces a tower up on the roof, when your shoes get so hot, wish your tired feet were fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby, that's where I'll be. From the park you'll hear happy sound of the carousel.